I am going to show you how you can make a decent amount of money from your YouTube channel or your social media even when you are not monetized. So I want to introduce you to this powerful platform called Mainstack. Mainstack is a powerful tool that can help you to sell your digital courses and your digital products online. Not only that, this is just like 1% of what Mainstack does for you. With Mainstack, you can receive money across the globe. It is not limited to one or two currencies. So now, if you are somebody that is into educational niche, you can teach somebody, you can sell your courses, you can sell ideas, you want people to consult you, you want people to book you on a one-on-one section, this platform is for you because Menstack will simplify your online presence and give you only just one link. That one link will contain the link to all your social media handle, your Facebook, your TikTok, your Instagram, your YouTube channel, and everything. So you can give somebody your Menstack link as your landing page. So from there, somebody can see the products, the services that you render, and they can book you from there, buy your courses, buy your digital products from there, and equally send you money from there. Some people can even gift you on Menstack. So it is another way to monetize your passion. Now, I want to walk you through on how to use this particular platform. So follow me to the end of this video as I am going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to use this particular platform. Don't forget to use my referral link to register with this platform so you will earn a bonus. And if you refer somebody, you are equally going to earn a bonus. So everything about this platform is monetized and you are going to make enough money from it if you pay attention very, very well. If you're a content creator, a business owner, anything that you are doing that requires you to sell your digital products online, this platform is what you are definitely going to need. So follow me, let me show you how to do it. This is like my landing page. This is my own Mainstack account. This is the account I created newly, and I will be using this account to do many things. I'll use this account to sell my digital courses online. If you want to book me one-on-one consultation, you can book me through Mainstack. Let me briefly summarize the features of this platform before we go into the step-by-step process on how to use them. First of all, this is your storefront. This storefront is for you to create and design your own store where you sell your digital product so that whenever somebody visits your store, it will be easier for the person to locate each product he or she wants to go for. Now, this is link in bio. This is like your Mainstack link. If you copy this link and send to somebody, the person can visit other of your social media platform just with one click. So this is for invoicing, for your inflow and outflow. Then this is for booking. This is for people that do one-on-one consultation. You want people to book you online, someone can book you through Mainstack. Now, this is hosted courses. If you want to sell your courses online, you can still sell it through Mainstack. Now, this is refer and earn. If you refer somebody to join Mainstack, you are going to earn 30% commission. This is my referral link. So this WhatsApp icon here is chat with their customer care. All right, then we click on more apps. When you click on more apps, this is Mainstack Home, the send link in bio, storefront, hosted courses, and booking. You can equally create another account inside this one. If you watch, this is my account, Jazzy Nation TV, that's my name. I can equally create another account. This is the refer and earn. I've already talked about that. So this is affiliate, which means somebody can sell your own product. Let's assume you have a digital product. Somebody can sell your own product and equally earn a commission. And let's start with storefront. This is my storefront. Mainstack.store/JazzyNation. Now this is my storefront. I can click here and share this link. I can share this link with somebody for someone to visit my storefront. As you can see, what I have here is just one product yet, and this is my YouTube consultation. If you want to contact me, so we'll talk about your channel, how to fix your channel. This is the only product I have here. I'm still going to bring more, and I can check the analytics. If someone purchased this product, this is where I can find it. 4 people has viewed this particular product, but no one has purchased yet. Any successful sale I make, this is where to find it. Abandoned sales, this is where to find it. So when you go back to this product, you can add products with AI here. If you click on this place, add products, digital products, event ticket, you can still sell your event ticket using Mainstack. subscription, and others. Then you can go for digital products depending on what you want to do. You click on next, then you give it a product title, and you can customize anyhow you want it to look like. You can customize using all these. Product title, we can say something like YouTube automation. YouTube automation, that's the product title. Product description, you can use AI to generate how you want the product to look like. Are you seeing it? Introducing YouTube automation just with title, AI finished the job for me. This is product category. Select category. I can choose masterclass. You click on next, then you add the image of the products. So you add the image of the products, pricing. This is for the pricing, additional details, product upload, purchase email, preview, and publish. Okay, so that's for storefront, how to design your storefront. So now, so this is for the link in bio. So now when you click on this link in bio, you will go to edit. This is my Mainstack link. So when you click on this place, you can see customize, analytics, and more. This is if you want to customize your link, choose any color of your choice according to your preference. So go to preview. Jazzy Nation, everything is still new. I'm still going to customize it one after the other so you will understand. Look at buy me a coffee. I told you that somebody can gift you through Mainstack. Like here now is add blog. So if you're not on the pro version, you cannot add more than 5 blogs. But if you're on the pro version, you can add more than that. You can add multiple. This is my header. Let me edit it. Let me go to the edit. So look at my display name, Jazzy Nation. This is to upload an image. Let me upload this one. Now for my bio, a creator for the creators. Now applicable titles, agency, blogger, brand, business, comedy, YouTuber. Good. I can add the link to my social media. So let me add my YouTube link, then my Instagram at Jazzy Nation 1, across all social media platform at Jazzy Nation. So if you have other social media platform, you can still add. Look at them. Discord, Pinterest, all of them you can still add. All right. Then what am I going to do? I click on save. Let me click on preview. Now this is my profile picture. This is my name, Jazzy Nation, my YouTube, my Instagram, my Facebook, and TikTok all in one. I can just share my Mainstack link with somebody, and when you visit this place, you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. This is very, very good. So basically, that is what link in bio does for you. If you click on hosted courses here, as you can see, I have one course here already, YouTube automation course, but I'm not done working on this particular course. But let me use it as an illustration for you. I'm still working on it. All the whole customization, trying to describe what the course is all about, the objectives. And here you can post the video of the course, and you can even give somebody a certificate after studying. This is where to check the number of students that have bought your course. One good thing about Mainstack is you can track your analytics and see how your course is performing. You can check your transaction, see how many people that have bought your course. You can check how many students you have. Everything is simplified just in one platform. And one good thing about it is that no matter the country you are in, you can equally pay, and Mainstack will automatically convert it to any currency you set here and pay you. All you need to do is to click on my referral link and start navigating on this platform. My YouTube automation courses and my digital product are still in progress. So when I finally launch them, I am going to definitely launch it with Mainstack. So when you come here, you can book me, you can consult me, you can buy my course, you can equally buy my digital products. So just wait for me. Why I want to share this app with you, so that it's going to be easy for you, and you can equally use it for people that are into business, people that want to receive money, but international transaction is your barrier. Mainstack can simplify that for you. Once somebody purchases your course, that person can pay you with any currency of his or her choice. The last thing I'll be talking about here is the bookings. If you click on these bookings, set up bookings. If I set up this booking, it means that somebody can book me here effortlessly, and I am going to have one-on-one consultation with that person. So if you want to book me for 1 hour, for 30 minutes, or even for 20 minutes, the price and everything is going to be here. So let's see how it goes. bookjazzy.mainstackbookings.com. Display name, I will choose Jazzy Nation. Then description, one-on-one consultation. Then you click on next. If you want to set up your booking, let me upload my logo. Let me still choose this my picture as my logo. Click on apply, then choose a color. This is my favorite color. You click on next. So this is Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. So I go with Google Calendar. View and edit all your calendar. I can choose when I'm free and when I'm not free. You connect your email. I have successfully connected my calendar. Now you click on next. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday, I'm available. That means I'm available every day apart from Saturday and Sunday. I can work with this here. So I click on save. Then next, congratulations, your booking is live. Bookjazzy.mainstack.bookings.com. I can equally share this link to anybody that wants to book me. So what am I trying to say? Mainstack simplified everything for you. If you want somebody to book you, Mainstack is there. If you want to sell digital products, Mainstack is there. If you want to sell your courses, Mainstack is there. If you want to customize your link to have one particular landing page so that anybody that wants to check out your profile, check out what you do, you can just give the person your link. The person can just check you out. If you want to sell digital products online and get paid irrespective of the currency, Mainstack is also there. Anything that you need as a business owner and a content creator that wants to monetize his or her skill, Mainstack is here for you. So what am I saying in this sense? Go to the description of this video and click on my referral link and register with Mainstack so you can enjoy the bonus. Another thing that I want to tell you about Mainstack is once you finish your registration and they set up your account, any money that you are making from people that are purchasing your products, you can withdraw it directly to your bank account without any delay. That is one good thing about Mainstack. So I see some people saying, how can I reach out to you? How can I reach out to you? You can now book me on Mainstack. So go ahead and register with this platform and thank me later. For people that see me for the first time, my name is Jazzy and I am a creator for the creators. Do well to follow me across all social media platforms at Jazzy Nation 1. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you on my next video.